Horses out. They've got toward the weight. Pass to begin. Down on the inside. Precious and Cool Kashmira. Moving up. No Days Lost. Lifetime comes next. Then followed over by Princess Cut. In between horses. Colossal. And going along for the first turn, we have No Days Lost by about 2.5 lengths. And in second, moving up now is Kashmira. And racing in third, Colossal. Down on the inside, Lifetime King Eagle comes next. Precious and Cool. Moving up, Princess Cat, Sangang Daan. And on the outside, Jamal Worth the wait. Then followed by number 7, Conqueror. And Sweet Lorky is the early trailer. We have No Days Lost by about half a length. And on the outside, Kashmir, Lifetime moving up in between horses. King Eagle is down on the inside fourth. Then comes Colossal. Precious and Cool moving up on the outside. Princess Cat, Worth the wait comes next. Lifetime by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside, second is King Eagle. No Days Lost is racing in third. Then comes Worth the wait now in fourth. But it's still Lifetime by out a length. And on the outside is King Eagle. Lifetime still in front. King Eagle fighting it out for the lead. Lifetime, King Eagle is on the outside. But it's still Lifetime followed by King Eagle. Lifetime still in front. And finally, Lifetime, King Eagle. Then comes No Days Lost, Worth the wait, Colossal, Sangang Daan.
935268.
Right.
Tama ba?